We use these items every single day. Plates, cups, bowls. Ah yes, food. One of my biggest pleasures in life, except for the year I had food aversion. Anyway, I've had a lifelong dream of making basically every item in my home, and that includes my dinnerware. However, that plan kind of failed when I took a pottery class, paid hundreds of dollars, and didn't quite have it turn out as perfectly as my mind requires. Shapes? Wrong. Paint colors? Wrong. Sturdiness? Not. Okay, plan B. Start small, they say. Just get one thing right. Ouch. So I'm doing something different. Or should I say we, because this one's coming with me. Yay! Hi!
Excited.
So what the heck are we gonna do? Well, we are going to make our very own Benjarong porcelain. Wait, what's that? It's kind of like this traditional Thai ceramic with pretty colors and intricate designs. And if you like Thai porcelain, if you see Thai porcelain, if you are drawn to oh sorry, did I mention I'm in Thailand? Oh yeah, hopefully that makes sense now. No, but wait, Thailand. Sorry, this place is nothing like what I expected. Nothing like what travel influencers have led me to believe. I'm in Bangkok and it feels so culturally raw and different compared to anywhere else I've ever been. Land of food stands and open markets, where I literally don't understand what at least 50% of things are, despite me being half Asian and 3% Thai. Where you can walk by a pot maker and a fruit stand within seconds, or get caught in torrential rain at any time of day. Where it gets so hot and humid, your hair will frizz within minutes. Thailand is, oh yeah, back to my Thai Benjarong porcelain. In 10 minutes, we're going into this place called Stella, where art will be made and steps will be taken towards my dreams. Now, will it be fruitful? Only time will tell, and I'm about to find out. Hi!
Miss Daria?
Yeah.
So, you've probably seen porcelain like this before. It's intricate and delicate and reminds me of my mom's good china. The initial pattern designs for Benjarong are only done by master artist craftsmen. These designs are delicate and need to be drawn perfectly. They are what you currently see in brown, but will turn gold once fired. And about the bright patterns you saw just a second ago. Well, these are the colors you make them with. So after many minutes looking at the options, we picked 4 items to craft. 4 items that caught our eye, were approachable, and yet functional for our lives. But what about the paint? Well, this paint is a bit unusual. It's a mineral paint that's crushed and mixed with water in a specific ratio. The paint in the jars separates from the water, and with each time your brush picks up paint, you must remix the right ratio of paint to water. Not too thick and not too thin. And with the finest possible brush tip, you start to paint in your design. In a sense, this is like a coloring book, only way more detailed and initially mildly stressful. That is, until you get the hang of it. Each small section of the design must be filled in, being sure not to touch the lines of the design or overlap any other paint. I first worked on my small bowl, heaved a sigh of relief once all the details were done, cracked open a can of lime Schweppes soda, and continued on to my soup spoon. I wanted to take a minute to talk about something. When I was living in Toronto, working my job in the middle of the chaos, I lived for vacations. I hated my everyday life. I lived for the escape. But I'm thankful to not be living the same way now. 3 years later, and I love the serenity of my simple life. I love to look out to trees, to hear birds out my window, to take Saturday trips to Costco for a $1.50 hot dog, and for that to be the highlight of my day. So when I have the luxury of traveling across the world to live out my dreams from years ago, it's amazing, yes, but it's overwhelming at the same time. You may be wondering why I wanted to do this Benjarong painting activity. Well, honestly, I needed a day like this. I was recovering from a bit of a flu, felt overly stimulated and drained, and needed a peaceful environment. I craved the quiet to think and move slowly, and that's exactly what this gave me. That is, until Par spent 3 hours on his one spoon and lost steam while doing his small bowl. And then it was pedal to the metal for me to finish it. Actually, it was kind of fun to not be so attached to something I was doing. Working with different colors, too. And after 4 hours of intricate painting, stress, relaxation, and then stress again, our Benjarong pieces were ready to be fired in the kiln, and we were done. DRP. DRP. Yeah.
Hello? Okay, coming.
I get this anxious feeling. Things can go wrong when porcelain's fired. Colors change or even disappear. Sometimes it looks nothing like what you expect, which is what happened to me last time. We spent a whole day on these little pieces. I hope they look good. I hope they look good. I hope they look good.
So some things go perfectly to plan. Some things half, some things not at all. Some things are perfect just because you made them. And sometimes we have expectations that stop us from appreciating what we have and what we've done. I think we'll forever remember making these. Sitting at a studio in Bangkok, away from the hustle bustle, hours of calm focus and making. These didn't turn out as perfectly as my mind desired, but they're beautiful and suited to the heart. One of a kind, and when I'm eating my Chinese corn soup, you know I'll be using my new pink spoon. And when I'm eating wontons, my dip is going in my new sauce cup. And then there's Parth, who said, and I quote, "I can't wait to have soup with the spoon that I made. You think I'll use any other spoon?" He clearly takes great pride in his spoon and his blue banana. Thanks for tuning in while we made intricate, colorful, and gold Thai Benjarong porcelain in Bangkok. I'll link where we went in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
DRP. DRP. Yeah.